So, just ran out of paint. I think, I know, like, when I painted my car, that bumper paint lasted me a while. For some reason, it was just gone. Just spraying the bottom, like, but I did have to go over it multiple times. And I'm really just YOLOing it, because I'm not trying to waste time on it, trying to be perfection. If it was my car, okay, perfection. But it's just a wheelbarrow, you know, it's gonna get dirty. It's gonna be rough house, you know. But yeah, I really should have showed the material layout, what I bought, how much I bought. I'll show that in a little bit. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go buy some paint. If not, I'll just continue this tomorrow. So yeah, I'll get back at y'all. So, good news. I know it's late. I started hanging out with my brother, you know. We were freestyling just for fun. But I ended up finding some old paint like I bought a long time ago for my car, and I never used it. And so I used it. And I have two of them. And I know I'm the only one who bought this stuff. No one else buys paint. But this is what I got right now. As you can see, it's blacked out. You know, those little red spots, they're gonna, when I flip it over, I'm just letting it dry right now. But when I flip it over, it's gonna be looking good. I mean, I'll hit those spots, I'm telling you, it's gonna be looking good. Yeah, this is the top. This is what it looks like from the top. I'm finna hit it. I sanded everything down. It's pretty cleaned out. I'm gonna wipe something in there. But y'all, don't worry. I have an idea for that, but I just wanted to get this built and painted. But I have an idea for that. I'm finna head to the store in a little bit, but don't worry. Alright, here we go. It's completed. Finished black paint. We ain't doing no second layer, none of that stuff. Bull crap. But hey, what was that sound?
Y'all heard that?
Yeah, I heard that. That
What
was
was that?
y'all. Please don't judge me for not putting something on the ground, no card or nothing. I just forgot.
What it is, skunk.
Yeah, I remember the skunk. But yeah, I might just tap the middle for a little. But now I'm gonna flip it over. I'm gonna give it like 10 minutes, 15 minutes to dry. Flip it over, and then put the wheels back on. Put a new wheel on. So yeah, now I'm putting on the wheels. Yeah, it looks so nice. Like, come on. But I had to. It comes with bearings, and then it comes with spacers, you know, to keep it in the middle. But one problem I just ran into, this is too short. So I'm gonna go back to those old bolts. I'm gonna use those old bolts, even though these are shiny and look so new. But oh well. I mean, I'm gonna see what I can do. It got too dark. Mosquitoes biting me up like crazy. But yeah, I'll just show y'all tomorrow. I'll just show y'all tomorrow when I got more light.
What's up, y'all? I'm back. It's day 2 of working on the wheelbarrow, but it has been storming, so I have not even been able to be out. I got distracted, but so yeah, I got some spacers, and I have some sheet metal that I'm gonna put here, and I'm gonna try to take this bolt off. I'm gonna do it the best way I can. I'm gonna, form it in here, and then drill a hole, and then put this back in, and then use this to hold it tight and flat on there. I feel like that's the best way I can do it. So yeah, I'm gonna go get those supplies, and I'll get right back with y'all. Like I said, I cut out 2 samples. I don't think this hole matters. This whole thing is still strong. It's strong. I done scratched the paint off already. I guess this is what is gonna happen when I put like rocks and stuff here, but this is not sanded, so it was really scratching it for real. But I'm gonna just go ahead and use this small piece, cause it really gets most of it, and I think it'll just be better. But I'm gonna remove the bolt from under there and then show y'all. It's really nasty. Why is it not focusing on the... But yeah, y'all can see it's nasty. Well, there we go. It's super gross. Updated version. Come on, zoom in. My camera's about to die, but I got it all smoothed out. I took off the old bottom with the wheelbarrow off, but I sanded around it. That's what we got now.
So we're back. This is the 3rd day. I had to skip a couple of days because I was just taking a break. I had other stuff to handle. But in the meantime, I showed y'all that I got the nail. It looks ugly. What the? Okay. It looks ugly. This was like, I wasn't expecting this. But I just gotta make it work. But I'm finna tighten it. Yeah, I'm about to tighten it. Okay, quick rundown. I just did so much stuff and didn't record none of it. First of all, I got that in there. Don't judge. It's just there, okay? That's done. That's sealed in there. It's not coming up. It's connected to the wood, all right? Second, I had to take out something in the middle of this wheel to put the actual bearings in that I didn't know at the beginning. And I had to pull out the grinder because, stuff got wicked. But it's in there. And the wheels are sealed in there. So, that's everything. That's the rundown. This is complete. I have the front piece right here that is drying with paint. It's going to go on later. But this is it right now. I'm going to paint that and get it looking nice, alright? I'll be back. Y'all, it's completed. But the most important thing about doing projects
is just always clean up after yourself, okay? Because I have a lot of junk out here. Not too crazy, but clean up after yourself. It's just courtesy, you know. Someone else wants to use the backyard or use the area that you're using. But I'm finna get it cleaned up. Y'all can see how it looks. We put the table under there because we were using it. I need to find a way, like, I need a better place to set it up. Better, you know? Gonna get this stuff up. That's my workbench. Makeshift workbench. Gonna get that up. Well, yeah, I'll be right back. And voila, we got it done. But as y'all can hear, I don't know if I can see it, but it's about to storm. Y'all can see it through the clouds. You can see the difference, but it's rolling in. I'm gonna show the video of me being the wheelbarrow being used later. Next clip. The moment y'all all been waiting for. The wheelbarrow is finally done. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Here they come. Alright, but I'm finna clean it off. It's muddy. The mud bounced up off it. The mud was bouncing all over it, you know. So I'm finna clean it off real quick. Move before I spray you in your face. Now, for what y'all been waiting on.